Today I'm going to be telling you all about the Remarkable Paper Pro that I just purchased for my work, and I absolutely love this product. This is simplifying my business. It's making things just so much easier and so much more efficient and quicker. So let's get into it. The Remarkable Paper Pro offers a lifelike writing experience as if you were taking a regular pen to paper. It's actually so incredible how smooth it feels and how real it feels. This is the pen that comes with the Remarkable Paper Pro. As you can see here, there's a little tip at the end, and that can be changed out, and it does come with extra tips. So that way, if this stops working, or you can just tell that it's kind of lagging and slowing down, you can easily swap the tip out. All you do is pop this one off. You're going to press the pen down into the new tip, and it will release from the holder, and you will have a brand new writing tip. Size-wise, the Remarkable Paper Pro is 11.8 inches, and it is incredibly lightweight. So this is very easy to travel with and to take with you. Whether you're going on a business trip, you just need to slip it in your purse for a meeting, whatever it may be. Another awesome feature for this Remarkable Paper Pro is there is a dimmable light feature. So if you are on the go and maybe it's, dark on the plane, or you're in your bedroom and someone's sleeping next to you and you just don't want to have that super bright display on, this will allow you to just take it down a notch. I think my favorite part, honestly, about this Remarkable Paper Pro is the amount of storage it has. So you've got 64 gigabytes of built-in storage in this, and your battery life is incredible. One charge can last you up to 2 weeks, depending on your use. When it's time to recharge it, you can go from 0 to full in a matter of about an hour. This is a distraction-free tablet. So this is only meant for productivity. You will not get any social media notifications on it. There are no distractions, so you can get right down to business. Let's see it in action. At the bottom of your screen here is a little plus sign. You're just going to go ahead and tap that. And from here, you can either start a notebook or you could start a quick sheet. I'm just going to tap on notebook. Check this out. If you hit view all, you literally have an entire library of built-in templates. So you can go from college lined paper, you could write music, there's music sheets on here. You've got regular legal paper, there are grids, there are graphs. You can go to landscape mode. Maybe you just want a checklist or a day planner. You can go here and you can click checklist. And here you have your landscape to-do list. I mean, this is awesome. And again, the writing is so lifelike. It's just like putting pen to paper, and it's incredibly responsive to your handwriting. Over here is your menu. So when you're in your notebook, your graph, whatever you may be doing, taking notes on, maybe you're sketching, drawing something, here you can choose your different pens. So you've got, your regular fine tip, you have bold, marker, highlighter, pencil. You can choose how large you would like these to write, whether it be small, all the way to a bold font. And then you also have colors on the Paper Pro. So we've got black, gray, white, green, red, blue, cayenne, magenta, and yellow to choose from. And again, very responsive on the colors. So here you can see, now you have that really pretty cayenne blue next to that regular standard blue. You can go back and forth between pen tips. So that way, say you wanted to take notes. Let's make this one a highlighter, and we're going to have it be a yellow highlighter. So we're going to toggle back and forth. I just wrote here with the pen, do dishes. Now I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to highlight it. And there you go. Nice, bright yellow. Don't forget, do the dishes. Also, on the back side of your pen here is an eraser. So just like a regular pencil, you just simply erase. The other feature here, this icon, you can actually circle your project, whatever, or your drawing. It's highlighted it. You can move it around the page. You can copy it and duplicate it. And now you've pasted it over here again. So now you have 2 hearts. Or you can simply circle it and just delete it. Another fabulous feature of the Remarkable Paper Pro is that you can import your own PDFs onto here. So it's super simple. You can have the Remarkable app on your phone, or you can put it on your desktop, or both. So I chose a PDF that's going to just kind of keep me on track, if you will. This is a time to prioritize PDF. And underneath, I have different categories and things that I need to be focusing on. And I'm going to circle the things I want to focus on. So I'm going to circle less doom scrolling. Maybe I've done very well with time blocking. So I'm just going to put a checkbox next to it. You can easily write all over this document and then erase it. So I'm just going to say undo, undo, undo. And now I have my blank priority template. Also inside of the Remarkable, you can categorize things and make it simple and organized for your eyes. So you can add folders. So here I have different folders for different items. I'm in real estate, so a lot of what I do is working with buyers and sellers. So I have buyer consults, prospects, coaching calls, listings, to-do lists, and all of that, all of the above. So you can just simply tap into your folder, and then you've got more folders inside of folders because that's just who I am. You have active and pending, and then here you go. So all of my files for that specific property will be under that folder. So this is an easy way, again, to just prioritize, organize, and keep yourself on track. Now, this does also come with an optional accessory keyboard. So it's called the Typefolio keyboard that you can attach to your Remarkable. So if you need to take notes quicker and you don't want to have to handwrite them out, you can get the Typefolio keyboard that goes along with this. That'll really make it an all-in-one system. Now, I want to show you how slim this is actually outside of the case, because I purchased a customized case to go over it just to protect it. And it does come with a little pen holder too as well inside of that case. But your pen is magnetic, so it will stick to the side of your Remarkable without a case. I just recommend getting one so that way this doesn't pop off and end up getting lost. So you can see how ultra slim this is. And I mean, it is like, it's incredibly, incredibly lightweight. This is what it looks like outside of the case. And you can get, I mean, a number of different kind of cases. Again, I recommend one with a pen holder just because that way you don't lose your pen. But all in all, 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this Paper Pro by Remarkable. If you're looking to simplify your life and increase your productivity, this is a product that you need to look into, and I highly recommend. So go grab yours, get out there, get your business done. I think you're going to love it just as much as I do.